Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am thrilled to share an inspiring story about one of our students from the Glina Paint Institute who took his skills to the next level and is now making waves in the paint industry. Meet Uche from Anambra State, Nigeria. He is the proud owner of Starkey Paint, a fast-growing brand producing premium oil gloss paint that rival any top terror production in the market. For those of you in Anambra or even nearby, if you're looking for a top quality gloss paint for your building project, Starkey Paint is your go-to. Uche's paint is renowned for its durability, vibrant colors, and superior finish. Don't forget he learned from the best. You can see his contact details on the screen right now. Don't hesitate to reach out to him. Customers who have used Star Key Paint swear by its quality. Whether you are a homeowner, welder, furniturer, a contractor, or an interior design, Uche's paint will exceed your expectation. And guess what? He delivers nationwide. So location is not a barrier. Stories like Uche's are what keeps me motivated. It is incredible to see someone start their journey with a passion for paint production and turn it into a successful business. He didn't just learn how to make paint, he mastered the art of creating a brand, delivering expectational quality and meeting customers' needs. And this could be you too. The paint industry is filled with opportunities, and with the right skills and dedication, there is no limit to what you can achieve. Uche's journey shows that success doesn't come overnight, but it is very possible when you put in the work. So, if you're passionate about paint production or thinking about starting a business in this field, take this story as your sign to start now. Remember, every professional was once a beginner, and just like Uche, you can go from learning the basic to becoming a trusted name in the industry. To all our viewers, thank you for tuning in. If you're in Anambra State, Nigeria, make sure you check out Starkey Paint for all your gloss paint needs. You won't be disappointed. And to everyone out there aspiring to make a mark in the paint industry, believe in yourself and your journey. See you in our next video. Bye for now.